Turn a little one you know into a star in this magical tale. I wonder who your star will be. Let's just wait a while and see. A family of waddling ducks are we, splish, splash and puddles, 1, 2, 3. Upside down and downside up. I'd have a cup of tea if I could find her cup. But if you can't find one, don't despair. Moon will probably have a spare. Splish, splash and puddles, in this story, find life isn't all honky-dory. Sometimes it's wonky, so try to be kind. There's sure to be a little star somewhere to find. So pull back the curtains, say hello to moon. Always there, coming soon.
Hello, it's story time. Today we're going to read from What a Little Star by Eva Le Bon, illustrated by Gail Yerrill. We hope you're going to really enjoy waddling along with the ducks, splish, splash and puddles. Up and down they go. And then you'll be meeting Moon. So, are you ready now? Then we'll begin. Early one morning, Mummy Duck looked worried. "We think I've lost something," she said. "Oh, dearie me," said Daddy Duck as he fastened his overalls. "Never mind, it's Friday today, our sweeping and tidying up day. We might find it if we keeps busy." But nothing turns up when they sweep the floor. Do you know what it is they're looking for? The very next day, Mummy rubs her eyes. "Hey, get up quick, I've got you a surprise. I've hidden it to keep it safe behind the rickety shed." "Marvellous," said Daddy as he climbs out of bed. "Quack! So lead the way, my darling, up the stream we toddle, with a splish, a splash, a puddles and a waddle." "Oh no, it's gone," said Mummy. "Quack, quack." "Honk!" "What's gone?" said Daddy. "The golden egg I found. It was here, just like I said. Do you think a squirrel's stolen it? Or Mr. Fox instead?" "Oh, dearie me, wherever can it be? Best put on our thinking caps," said Daddy. "I'd love a cup of tea." So off they waddle to Tumble Twist Farm. "Oh no, it's gone," said Daddy. "Look, it is not there. My golden crown has vanished. It really is not fair." "Oh, dearie me, wherever can it be?" said Mummy. "Do you think someone's stolen it? Who can it be?" "Perhaps it's a bear with a tail like a mouse. Perhaps it's a crocodile as tall as a house." "Honk!" booms Mummy, very out of tune, but quack comes a noise from up in the sky. "Oh, look, Splash, it's Puddles. He's learned how to fly with me to the tree. Come with me, I bought the tea." And can you guess? "Oh no, it's gone," said Puddles. "Quack, quack." "What's gone?" said Mummy. "The golden wand I found. It was here inside my tree." "Do you think a—" "Help!" shrieked Puddles. "Oh, dearie me, the hungry giant's coming. And now I spilled your tea." Splosh! "Oh, Puddles, this has to stop. This really is a puzzle. Let's wait for Moon, who'll be here soon and help us with our muddle." Night comes and Moon appears. "Oh, Moon," started Daddy.
"Hello, Splish, Splash and Puddles,"
said Moon quietly. "It's a crocodile, a bear, a giant," they quack. Things we find disappear and don't come back.
Upsetting, disappointing, but never you mind. There'll always be a little star somewhere to find.
I really did find a magic wand. I did, said Puddles.
I know you did.
Said Moon.
And your mummy found a golden egg, and your daddy found a golden crown. But it whilst you were sleeping.
Sleeping? Said Daddy, looking bewildered. Dreaming? Said Mummy, looking bewildered.
Yes,
said Moon.
But dreams can sometimes bring good things, you know. They can jumble up your thinking and stretch it out like dough. They can set your feet a-tapping, so sing along with me. Are you ready now? Steady now? 1, 2, 3. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder where you are. Up above the world so high, like a
teapot here in the sky.
Think of something special you can do with those golden dreams that came to you.
They all went quiet and started to think. I know, said Daddy. We can make an egg, a crown and a wand and paint them gold, quacked Mummy.
Snip, snap, snippety, twizzy, let's have some fun, let's be busy,
whispered Moon with a swoosh. So Daddy makes a crown from 2 egg boxes, Mummy makes an egg from some paper and glue, and Puddles wraps some ivy around a twig. Splishety, splashety, splosh. But Mummy was thinking about the dream some more. Why an egg, a crown and a wand? Who for? Gifts for a prince, a duck or a star? To mark a special moment, whoever you are. Moon said, let's be busy and never you mind. There'll always be a little star somewhere to find. And sure enough, on their way home that very same night, Puddles skipped ahead, but then what a fright! Mind that tree! Squawked his parents, as down with a thud on his back Puddles landed as he slid in some mud. Boing, boing! Oh, I see stars! Something's dazzling me! Wow! You're amazing, Puddles! Goodness gracious me! You found Moon's dazzling star, Puddles, for boys and girls to see. And someone's left a message, look. They come from near and far. Oh, read me what it says, Mummy, and the name on the golden star. Today, the Little Star Award is presented to... with this message.